In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see password in Facebook Messenger. We will do this by checking the password saved in your Chrome browser, so follow along on your screen as I talk. First, open Chrome. If you are on a computer, click the Chrome icon on your desktop or taskbar. On a phone or tablet, tap the Chrome app so a new browser window opens and you see your usual homepage or a blank tab. Now look to the top right corner of Chrome and click the three-dot menu. This is the small button with three vertical dots. When you click it, a drop-down menu appears with options like New Tab, History and Downloads, which lets you know you are in the right place. From that drop-down menu, click Settings. A new tab opens showing the Chrome settings page. You should see a list on the left or a list of sections such as You and Google, Autofill and Privacy, which confirms that you are now working inside the browser settings and not on a regular website. Next, click Passwords and Autofill. On some versions, this appears as a section in the middle of the page. On others, it is on the left side. When you select it, the main area changes to show things related to saved passwords, payment methods, and addresses, so you know you are in the part of Chrome that stores your login details. Within this section, click Google Password Manager. Chrome now opens the Password Manager view, usually in the same tab. You will see a list or search box with website names that Chrome has saved passwords for, often with icons for well-known sites. This page is where Chrome keeps your stored usernames and passwords tied to your Google account. From here, select Facebook. You can either scroll down the list until you see Facebook, or use the search field at the top and type Facebook. Click the Facebook entry, and a details page opens showing the username or email for that account, with the password field hidden by dots. At this point, make sure that you verify your identity. Chrome might ask you to enter your computer password, your device PIN, or use fingerprint or face unlock. This step confirms you are the person who owns this account, and only after this check will Chrome reveal the password information on this screen. Once verification is complete, click the eye icon to see the saved password. The dots in the password field change into readable characters so you can view the exact password that Facebook Messenger uses. You can now carefully read it, write it down, or use it to log in on another device, and when you leave this page, the password will automatically hide again. You just learned how to see your Facebook Messenger password using Google Password Manager in Chrome without changing it. If this walkthrough helped you recover your Messenger login, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you want more clear guides like this.